Welcome to our video on how to find homes for boxer puppies. If you're looking to give a loving boxer puppy a forever home, you're in the right place. First, it's essential to research reputable breeders. Look for those who prioritize the health and well-being of their puppies and provide proper documentation. Next, consider adoption options. Many shelters and rescue organizations have boxer puppies looking for loving homes. Check local listings and websites. Lastly, networking can be incredibly helpful. Join boxer breed groups on social media or forums to connect with other boxer enthusiasts and find available puppies. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on finding your perfect furry friend and caring for them.